Step 3 of Paper 3 IGCSE exam paper in May, June 2016. Level 2 heading requirement is this. So in your website, all pages with level 2 heading should have the color that's made out of these elements, these RGB elements, and in this font. So let's see how do we do it. So again, we go to HTML, go to the front page. These are the steps you can follow when you are using front page to write .css file. Okay, so the first step, format. We put it here first. Format, style. You're telling the computer, and which part of the web page do you want to format? And then in this case, it's H2, level 2 heading. Okay, that's level 2 here. Okay, when H2 is there, what's the next step? You look at here, modify. So you modify here. Then you have to tell the computer what part do you want to modify. You want to modify the color in here, look. Modify the color and modify the font. So look at the font first. And the font style is Arial. So you got it here. Now I have digital copy of the exam paper, so I got the luxury of copy. Control C, highlight and Control C, and put it in here. So put it in here, Arial, and the size 18 point high. So you can, size is here, 18 point. Alignment should be right. Do the colors first. These colors here, you must put it in that order. Okay, R, G, B. But on purpose, I think the examiner is tricky, very tricky. They do not put it in the right order. But when you do the programming, it's always RGB in that order. The 6-digit color coding is always in the order of R for red, G, and B. Okay, for blue. So in here, where's the color? The color is here, look. So the color is here, more color. You just click anywhere, and here, the color code. So the first one, the one is 33. And the next one is 99. And then G is 00. They give you 10, but when you do the programming, you have 2 zeros. What's the color for B? 99. So these are the numbers that these numbers tells the computer how much light of each of these color should be transmitted to make the color, to mix the color. Okay, then you say okay. It's purplish color, okay? That's level 2, like purplish color. And then alignment. Then you say okay. So you got it all here now. Okay? The alignment is still, I think it's still on the font as well. Where is the alignment? Okay. So you got it here, and then you say okay. Okay, H2, it's all here. Now the alignment just now, I did not find it. So what I can do, if you can't find it, you just type them in. It's easy. So you just type text, line, okay? Now sometimes if it doesn't work, you may have to use the American spelling. I think it's okay to put it this way. So once you have put it in here, the browser will display all your level 2 heading in the center, like this one, background, distribution. They will be in the center. And in this color, the purplish color, this number decides this color here. Okay, so this is H2. Let's do another one, the paragraph. Paragraph refers to these areas, the words. So you want the words, the color will be the mixture of this one, and the browser's default serif font should use serif font here, and the size and alignment should be left. That means every line starts from the far left. Now, I have talked about it in human language, and this is written in human language. Now let's put it in computer language so that the browser will understand. That's .css file. So this is P, okay? Paragraph. Again, you look at here. This is what you do, the steps you follow, the path. So you go to table, go to format, style, and you tell the computer which part you want to format now. And this time you want to format P. Okay, after P, you use paragraph. And then you modify. You choose from H1, H2, TD table. Okay, and then modify which part. When you look at it, it's mostly the text colors, so we know it's here. And sans serif. So you just put in here sans serif font for here, sans serif font, and then the size is 14. So you go to size 14. Size 14. And then what's the next? 14 point high, that's set. And the color, okay? This time RGB. Now this time it's in the normal order. This one is not in normal order, so you have to have sharp eyes. I think this examiner just playing a joke with you. Okay, red RGB. So go to the color, modify color. You put what's the number? The value for red color is 00. And then green is 00. And then 08. So what that means, there's no red color, no green color, and just about 80% of blue color. Basically, it's like blue. Okay? So say okay. And then okay. And okay, going backwards. And it's done. Now the P is here. Okay? So this is all done except aligned left. Now I couldn't find it in a hurry because it's running out. So you just type it in. So you type test align center. And then make sure you put the